In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live with Restream. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting out, using Restream is a fantastic way to broadcast your content across multiple platforms simultaneously. Let's jump right into it and explore the first step. Choosing your streaming method is crucial to setting up your broadcast effectively. Restream offers three main methods to go live. The first option is the browser-based studio, a user-friendly choice that doesn't require any additional software installations. It's fully integrated into your web browser, making it incredibly convenient, especially if you're looking for a streamlined, no-fuss approach to streaming. If you prefer more control over your production, you might opt for streaming software or an encoder like OBS Studio or vMix. These tools are perfect for those who want to customize their broadcasts with more elaborate setups, graphics, and overlays. You'll need to connect your software to Restream using an RTMP stream key. Alternatively, you can opt to stream pre-recorded videos. This is perfect if you need to schedule a live session but won't be around to broadcast in real time. You simply upload your video, and Restream can play it as a live session at your specified time. After selecting your streaming method, adding your streaming destinations is the next critical step. Ensure that all the platforms you want to stream to, be it YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch, are connected to your Restream account. Navigate to the Restream dashboard and either click on Channels or Add Channel. Follow the prompts to authenticate each platform. Once authenticated, these channels will be ready to broadcast when you go live, and you'll just need to toggle them active. Remember, for seamless streaming, check that every streaming platform meets its requirements. This might mean verifying your accounts or permissions, but it's essential not only for technical compatibility, but also to ensure you have the necessary streaming rights for your content. Next up, let's create or schedule your stream. Head over to your Restream dashboard and click on New Stream. Depending on your chosen method, select between the Studio for browser-based streams or Encoder, RTMP, for software-based streaming. Make sure to toggle on the channels you'd like to go live on. Add in your stream's details, including a catchy title, an informative description, and a visually appealing thumbnail if the platform supports it. If you plan on going live later, you have the option to schedule your stream as an upcoming event. It's a great way to generate anticipation and notify your audience before you actually go live. Finally, once everything is set, it's time to go live. With just a click, you can broadcast your stream. You'll also have access to view and manage your channels and monitor stream performance directly in the Restream dashboard. The unified chat feature is particularly handy as it lets you interact with viewers across all the platforms you're streaming to, all from one place. If at any point you need to manage or stop a specific channel, you can do so easily from your dashboard. And there you have it. Streaming with Restream is a powerful way to reach larger audiences effortlessly. I hope this guide helps you have a successful live streaming experience.